How to deposit and withdraw on Bitget wallet. So depositing is really easy. Just head over to your wallet and click on the receive option. So go ahead and click on receive here, and then you can easily search for a token. You could search by token or you could search by network. So either networks like the BNB Chain, Ethereum, Solana. So I'll show you how this works. Let's say you want to search by token. What's a popular token on the Solana network? We could go with something like bonk. So go ahead and type bonk out as an example, and a couple of bonks would appear on different networks from Ethereum to BNB, Polygon, and then we have Solana. So go ahead and click on bonk on the Solana network. Make sure you've checked the receiving address for this token. Go ahead and copy it, and then you can easily share it out. So let's say you want to receive network tokens. How do you do that? Click on receive, click on buy network, and then select the network you'd like to receive in. It could either be in the BNB chain, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Robinhood, Polygon, Ethereum, Avalanche, any of these networks would work. So let's say it's Ethereum, click on Ethereum, and it's been copied. And that's it, guys. Now, in order to withdraw on Bitget Wallet, it's the same process. When you're at the wallet section, bottom right corner, click on send. And then where we have token name or contract, you could either send by the token name or contract address. So let's go ahead and type this out. This should give us our Ethereum address, but we can't send to ourselves. So you're going to have to provide a separate token name or a contract. So let's say I want to send all the way to a Solana account. All I need to do is just go ahead and select the token I want to send, which in this case is Solana, and Sol would appear. So click on Solana, and where it says send Solana to, that is the receiving address and the amount, minimize and then open up any of the wallets you want to send to or any conversations you're having that involves you sending crypto. And I'm going to use Phantom Wallet for this. So once Phantom Wallet has opened up, I'm going to be entering my password and getting access to the app. Once it has opened, go ahead and click on add cash to your Solana balance, and then just go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you want, which in this case would be, Solana. So click on Solana here first, and then scroll through till you see the option to receive, and click on receive here. Copy the address, minimize, open up the Bitget wallet, click on Bitget wallet, then the receiving address, go ahead and enter it, enter the amount you want to send, and then click on confirm. Click on confirm once more, and that's it. All right.